I may not even have hit it. Talon hit it.
There was more than one.
That's the one that came. She came so fast. I don't know if I had her in the camera.
I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to get on her. I don't know in a minute if there's one big hole and a bunch of little holes. I don't even know if I hit her or not. I was just trying to get on her. When he shot, I think it actually made me shoot.
Walk down there and check her, son. How far is she from the call?
Like what, 5 feet?
And Talon's using a shotgun with double-aught buck from Hornady. That hog came hard and fast. A shotgun was about the only way to shoot that one. How many yards from the call?
Maybe what, 6 feet?
2.
I like that look he gave me, like,
What'd you shoot my hog for?
yeah. Well, there is.
Well, I don't know if that could be an exit from this.
Roll her over.
I would say that was...
Heck.
Buckshot to the face is what killed her. She didn't need that 7 mag.
Yeah. Who knows? I may not even have hit her. It got her. It plowed her down for sure. Well, she looks older.
She is old. She's not very big.
She was so short I couldn't hardly see her coming through that grass. I was afraid he wasn't going to be able to see her. Well, you smacked her anyway, son.
Yeah. I don't know if she's looking for a trail or if she's trying to get downwind of us.
I think she was trying to get downwind because they started over. I could hear her down in there, and they worked all the way around and then came back.
Mm-hmm. We're at the end of the first week of April, and Friday it was nearly 90 degrees. And yesterday the high temperature was low 40s. We nearly had a freeze yesterday morning. And this morning we were close to freezing as well. And it's warming up a little bit. We're probably in the mid-50s right now, so it's not too bad. And we came into this place. Michelle's been seeing a lot of big boar tracks in here, and we've never seen the boars that are leaving them. And so we wanted to test our new sounds today. And we got in here, and this I think is our third stand of the day. And we hadn't had any takers. They've just not responded to the boar sounds today at all. We got in here and we were towards the end of our stand and decided we'd played several other sounds, you know, targeting boars and nothing. And I switched to a sound we call VAMPIGRA. And it's a squealing pig, or a shoat. He probably weighed 10-15 pounds. And shortly after firing that up, we could hear hogs back in this area back here, and there's a huge bedding area back in that area. And this is the last opening there is before you just getting stuff so thick you can't walk. And shortly after firing that up, we heard her coming, and there's a ditch down here. We're not sure if she was looking for a way to get up out of that ditch or if she was trying to get downwind of the call, but she circled all the way around and come up on our far right and come straight to the call. And Talon smacked her with a 12 gauge using double-aught buck from Hornady. And Michelle shot at her with the 7 mag too, but I think hers was more of a warning shot. I couldn't find any evidence that she hit her, but it didn't make any difference one way or the other. That double-aught buck put her down quick. So that's probably what, 25 yards maybe? Not sure. That's another hog down for the Bullet HP from Convergent Hunting Solutions.
Alamo Precision Rifles, the best rifles this side of the Pecos. APRifles.com.
Hornady, accurate, deadly, dependable. Pink's Paint and Body, Decatur, Texas. Mallory Orthodontics, MalloryOrtho.com. 2K Pawn and Gun, Decatur, Texas.
Carrillo and Tibbles, Attorney at Law,